You ready for some boost, Josh?
Oh yeah.
A little pickup
Been
truck?
Too long. Rear-wheel drive, boost, 4G60, welded diff. What is up, everyone? Another beautiful day here in Washington. Just starting to get this nice weather, but Mitsubishi Mighty Max 4G60 swap going down. Just got to finish wrapping some stuff up. Got the oil feed line on last night. We've got to put the oil filter housing on so we can put that into the line on. We've got to make the oil return line still. Get a gasket on from the manifold to the head. We have to finish fabbing up all the exhaust. Connect some heater core lines. Hook up the temp sensors, couple throttle body gaskets since that's just mocked up. Tighten down all my fuel line fittings. Put a valve cover gasket on since that's just sitting there. Belts, couple hoses. What the hell that's all about? Okay. But yeah, it's coming along pretty nicely. Just get a look at that. Trying to get this done before April 4th for West Coast Shootout in Woodburn, Oregon. If y'all are going to be there, come check us out. I'm just going to put it in a little show just so people can see it. Need some long bolts.
You always tired, right? Facebook. 2000 ELT.
Getting that last bolt in for the oil filter housing. One hand in this shit. Oh my god, dropping my wrench.
Better a little bit beefier for those. I just do them all day long over in Russia. What's oh god?
Boom. Oh, I almost dropped the wrench on my face.
Ah, don't do that.
Whew. Such little left, but seems like so much. On to the next. This guy here. Right there for the oil feed. Boom. Just like that. We now have an oil feed line connected from engine to turbo. Let's peep it. Boom. Oh yeah.
He's checked all the usual suspects like gas, hard ground, everything.
That literally
Whew. Man, let me tell you, I'm beat. But this guy here, we just went into town, had to get a fitting to make an oil return line. A little marred up, no one gives a shit though, right? Let's get her on. Look at that clean line. Just fits right around the mount, hugging it. Yeah.
That's the one that I was like, man, it's just too fruity. I can't.
Whew. Oh, GoPro's about to die. Time to top her off for the first time. So that's how you do your oil, ladies and gents. Let's have fun with it. Hope you'll pour in a little hole. Not me. I like to pour all over the whole thing. Just kidding.
Oh, not in the spark plug holes?
Oh, spark plug holes, that's exactly where you want to put it. Boom! Now, we'll grab a little Cressy here, tighten down some fuel lines. We're about to see if we got some fuel pressure. Actually, I did tighten it already, never mind. Yeah. Pretty much need to finagle a battery in here somehow. I actually just move this intercooler pipe. Put the battery back in its stock location.
Yeah, we don't need that yet.
Holy shit, I got that fucker on there. Let's just take the fitting. It's all loose.
It's like, nah.
Oh! Bling bling! Probably a bad place to put this considering my truck's battery is in this Jeep and I gotta take it out.
Oh, yes. That would be bad.
Sorry, Jeep. We need more right now. It's not gonna belong here anyway. That's how you know. Yeah, shout out whoever sees that battery, bring it back. One. Well, now I can see that. Two.
Now where are my keys?
Are they down there? Negatory.
Oh, they're in the Jeep!
Up! Dude, I just came over here and looked in the Jeep. I didn't see him. Itty bitty things. Okie dokie. Don't you squirt me in the face, you little bastard.
Probably set the valve cover on it to make a mess though.
Oh yeah, good call. That's gonna start twerk crap.
All that effort to work. It's real easy for a newbie to screw it up right at this point.
Valve cover's on.
Boom.
Okay. Woo!
Josh is getting a little excited here.
4, 1, 2, 3. And that, boys, is your firing order. Unless you have newer ECU, you'll be 3, 2, 1, 4 instead of 4, 1, 2, 3.
The more you know.
The more you know. And if you know, then you know. Oh, dude, let's just take a second to just admire this. Yes, just look at it.
This
All
has
right,
been hanging out
time to
here.
do a look over and see what else we gotta do. Be back with you in just a second.
We're golden.
Huh?
No leaks. 100 times better.
What were we building, like 40?
Oh yeah.
I thought it looked like about 40. I could barely see the needle moving inside.
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah.
Cool.
Okay. We got fuel pressure.
Woo! That problem's
We
fixed.
already know we hook a few wires up will help spark.
Yeah, but now we don't have fuel leaks. We had fuel pressure before, but we had fuel leaks along with fuel pressure. Now that problem's fixed. Roki dokie.
Yay.
Boom. Fuel pressure is good. And fuel lines are all set. Oh,
Look at that.
it's fucking icing on the cake, dude. That looks so nice.
Butter, that just pulled it off.
Mmm. Oh, but besides, you know, oil cap, what else have we done?
Well, the turbo's completely bolted on, oil lines are all the way on, oil filter, housing, drain plug, it has oil in the engine. Of course you already know that. You watched us crank it over already for fuel pressure. I forgot we did that. But, we just did all the wiring. ECUs, everything's plugged in, hopefully wired right. We're going to try to test fire it. We have no charge pipe, no math, so if it even runs, it's going to run like complete dog shit. We don't care, we just want some pops. Let's do this.
Good okay.
Don't suggest you try this at home. Gas in a bottle. Woo! She fucking ran.
Oh.
Get out here. He wants to hear it, he can get his ass out here and hear it. 6-0 wants to hear the truck run, he's gonna hear the truck run. Come on, Talon, you ready? What do you think, Talon? Good? Heck yeah. That's my boy.
Woo.